In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on picture in picture mode on iPhone. So this is Anis, welcome back to another video. If you need my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So first of all, open settings on your iPhone, but make sure your iOS is up to date. For update check, just tap on general and check in about, and as you can see here is my iOS version is up to date, 17.2.1. so back to settings, and just here is picture in picture mode. Just tap on picture in picture, and as you can see it's currently turned off. So just tap on to turn on picture in picture, then picture in picture mode is turned on iPhone. But unfortunately YouTube or other video player apps not supported picture in picture mode on iOS, on iPhone 11. So it's only work when you make video call on WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.